Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to name a group text and even give it a group image on an iPhone. Before we start, this will only work if everyone is using an iPhone or Apple device using iMessage. So, for instance here, I have myself on both my iPhone and an iCloud email account on an iPad. If I had a bunch of other people in here all using iMessage, it'd still work, but if someone is on an Android, you won't see this option. Once inside of the group text, tap the group icon at the top. Next, select Info. Underneath the names at the top here, you'll see Change Name and Photo. Choose that. Here, you can then enter a new group name. You'll also notice that iMessage has automatically generated some custom group profile images. Choose one of those or scroll down for more options. When you've made your choices and you're finished, tap Done on the top right. You will then see that the group text has been renamed and given the profile photo that you've chosen. And that's how you name and give a profile image to a group text on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.